The approval of the sterilization batch is performed in an easy and paperless way via the color touch display of the Evolution series. For user authentication, please enter your 4-digit PIN after sterilization. You can then open the door and start the approval process. Please remove the batch test body and document the color change of the indicator on the display. Check the sterilization packaging for damage and dryness. If the load does not present any irregularities and the LED bar on the lower edge of the display illuminates green, please provide the batch with approval. With an optional MELAG Print 60, you can print labels for marking the wrapped instruments. The double adhesive barcode label enables you to link the batch information to the patient records after instrument application. This documentation procedure ensures a complete and traceable proof of error-free instrument decontamination in your practice and clinic. Learn more about the documentation process in our next video.